Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we will look at the marks required in GDs to get a government college seat branch wise. Okay, so it depends on the toughness level of the paper and the complexity level of paper. But in case the paper level is mediocre as per last year 2022, then how much marks you expect to get in order to get particular branch. So the target should be very important. You must know the target and you keep like around 10 to 15 marks in buffer. So you need to increase the target by 10 to 15 marks, and then if you are getting that target, reaching that target in GTs, then you are up to the mark. Your preparation is going good. You can contact us on this number 9319128677, our WhatsApp, and we are also available on the Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group to get any update as soon as it gets published. And you can also contact us our WhatsApp or our call on the same number. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance. The slot is open from now and it will be open after the examination also. But if you avail now, you will get more benefit in the same price, like support in the preparation and form filling, editing, and all such things. So how much score you need for radio diagnosis branch is the top clinical subject as per the demand. And for general category, if you come under general category, you need around 545. So you should target 10 to 15 marks more than this score, so that even you do not score good on the day of examination, you are well within the zone. For OBC category, you need around 530 to 540 score. For EWS, if you're under EWS, then you need around 530 to 535. If you're under SC category, then you need around 490 to 495 score. Under ST category, around 465. For dermatology, you need around 530 to 535. In general category, OBC 525 to 530, EWS 515, and SC 540 to 550 to 555. ST category 390 to 395. To get a general medicine subject, you need to have a score of 535 to 540 in general, and you can look at the score required for other categories. See, roughly there is a mapping. It will be coming when the exam is done. Okay, but now there is a mapping as per the last year. Means if you have 460 score, then you are getting around 20,000 rank. Okay, and you are getting around 300 score, then you will be getting around 75 to 80,000. So like that, you can get the mapping between the marks and score in our previous video. You can browse through the channel. In order to get a pediatric subject, you need to have a score around 518 to 520. For general category, in OBC around 505 to 510. In EWS up to 500 score. For OBGY, you need to have around 500 score. In general category, for orthopedics around 595 to 500. In TB chest, you need around 500 to 5 score. General surgery around 595 to 497. In psychiatry medicine, you need around 460 to 465. By mistake is 565, 460 for 465. Psychiatry subject, ophthalmology 455 to 460. In case of ENT, you need around 460 to 465. Anesthesia around 445 to 450. Radiotherapy around 435 to 440. Emergency medicine, you need around 500 score, 495 to 500. For pathology, around 380 to 385. And for PSM, 295 to 300. So this is sort of a score that you need for different clinical branches. Suppose you are targeting medicine branches, radio, dermatology, general medicine, pediatrics, if not pediatrics, TB and chest, and at the last anesthesia. Okay, then you must have a score around 520, 525, so that you can get pediatrics or general medicine in general category. So likewise, you need to, if you are targeting clinical subject, surgical subjects like orthopedics, general surgery, and in the backup side ophthalmology, ENT, then you need to have score up to 500 so that you can get orthopedics or general surgery in. And if you fail to get that score and you get 10 to 15 marks lesser, then you need to target a DNB courses. I'll be giving the marks required for DNB courses also. And this is it for this video, and we will create separate videos for marks required in DNB and NB diploma courses. And subsequently we will be covering the details about each and every state counseling. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day.